What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll be drawing Enid Sinclair from Wednesday. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, just going to work our way down towards the bottom of the eye and then bring that back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right side. So let's line up the top, come all the way down towards the same height, and back up towards the top. Now from here, we draw a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, draw that circle coming in and then back out. And we'll line that up on the right. Now you want to trace that outer circle on the inside for the pupil, but we want to go in behind the highlight. So start from the bottom, come all the way around, and just tuck that in behind, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's fill the center of the pupils in black. Now from here we're going to draw the outside of the eyelid. From the top of the left eye, let's step in, curve this up, all the way around the eye, and just pull that in towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Stepping in, all the way around, come down, and then in. And then from here we're going to give our character some thick lashes. Starting from the bottom, just going to taper this out, and then up. Let's go back to the left side, curve this down, go up above the eye, and just taper towards the inside. We'll do the same thing on the right. Starting from the inside, going all the way around, come down, and then up towards that point. And then we'll fill the inside of the lashes in black. Now we're going to move to the center and draw on the nose. Let's start with the bottom edge, starting over on the left, curve the nose, coming down, and then back up. Now let's move up and draw a short curve, going up and down to the bridge of the nose. Now I'm going to move down and draw on the mouth. Let's start back over on the left, curve this down the middle, and up towards the right. And then we'll add a bracket on the corners of the mouth, coming down and then out. Go back to the center, step down, draw a short curve for the lower lip. Now from here we move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out, curve the head coming down, just bend that in underneath the lip, go across, and then bend that up towards the right. From the side of the head, draw a straight line going up on either side. And then on the left side, we're going to curve the hair going across and then up towards the right. So go across, and then we'll bend that up. And I bring this down and out towards the right side of the head. Now we want to go back and add in the eyebrows. Starting on the left side, just up above the eye, curve this up, and then bend that down. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now I want to add a simple flower pin on the left side. So we start with the top with a curve going up and then down. Let's go back to the left side. We're just going to repeat this going all the way around towards the bottom. And then add a couple more going back up towards the top. Now we're going to go back to this point and draw the top left side of the head. So we're going to go up, round out the head. I'm just going to pull this down on top of that flower pin. I'm going to line this up along the bottom of that pin, curve this down and then out, round up the end, and then pull that in. Now I'm going to move over and draw on the right side. Let's step up, curve this around the side of the head, and then bring that down. And just like we did on the left, I'm just going to bend this out, and then curve that back in. Let's add a point of hair along the bottom. From the left side, curve this up and in. Now I'm going to curve in the opposite direction. Come down and out, come in and then up. Let's add one more point facing in. Bend this down and in. Go up and bend that in underneath the head. Now I'm going to move down and draw on the collar. Let's step over towards the left, draw a curve coming down and then up. Now I'm going to move out and draw that again. Going a little bit larger, moving down the middle, and then back up towards the right. Let's go out to the side and draw on the body. Let's start on the left, bend this out, and then down towards the hip. Let's line the top over on the right, going out and then down towards the same height. Now you want to connect the hips with a curve, coming down the middle, and we'll bend that up. Now you want to draw a character with the arms folded in behind. So start from the top of the collar, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the elbow, go to the top right, go out, and then down towards the same height. And then from the elbow, we'll bend the arms, coming down and then in, just up above the hips. Now from the hips, let's step in, draw two straight angle lines coming down and out towards the bottom of the skirt. Now you want to connect the bottom of the skirt with a series of curves. So let's start on the left. We'll come down and up, and then we'll just repeat this all the way across towards the right. Now you want to fill the inside of the skirt with these simple flower shapes, just like we did with the pin. Let's start on the top left. Start with the first one, going all the way around. And we'll just repeat this across the dress in random places. You can also vary the size, so you can add a few smaller ones, and then a few larger ones. Let's move to the center of the dress, draw a straight line coming down between the legs towards the heels. And then we'll curve the bottom of the feet. Starting from that center line, start with the left side. Down, then up, go back to the center, come down and up towards the right. Now we're going to draw on the top of the feet. Let's start on the left, curve the foot, going up. Now you want to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. You want to leave a gap on the inside. And then from the outside corner of the skirt, let's step in, draw two straight lines coming down on top of the feet. Now we're going to add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. Let's take this curve, step up from the toe, just trace that across towards the heel. And do the same thing on the right. Let's add that toe cap on the top of the foot. Let's step out, put this in, and then down towards the sole. From the top of the foot, let's step up, curve the shoe, coming down, and then up towards the middle, and then do the same thing on the right. Now I want to duplicate that curve, stepping up, going across the legs. Now I'm going to go back and add a little bit more texture to the hair. Let's start from the top left side of the head, bend this down and out, and then back down, and do the same thing on the right. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Enid Sinclair from Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.